Hello, everyone. My name is Olivia Lechner. My hometown is here in Pittsburgh, and my major is behavioral science. So my future goals are to obviously graduate from college, and then once I graduate from college, I want to work in the field of psychology. I'm not 100% sure what I want to do in the field just yet, but I know that I definitely want to work um, in the field of psychology. So originally, I wanted to be a nurse. So I did the UPMC Mercy School of Nursing program. It was accelerated and way too hard for me, so I chose to withdraw and go to Point Park to study behavioral science. Um, that's pretty much it about me. Thank you for listening and watching the video. And like I said, I am Olivia Lechner.